So one way to make a living or to have a side income on your homestead is to do folk art. And before you turn the video off, I want to tell you this. You can make a lot of money supporting artists, providing materials for artists, repairing artwork, and making what's called a base for them to paint on. So as long as you have access to an artist, or you're providing a product artists will use, you can have a viable art business. You don't have to be the actual artist. Now, this example is a chainsaw carved bear. My wife is an artist. She does a lot of different kind of artwork, and she knew a guy in the area that originally was from Alaska, and he made us a set of 3 of these bears. We call them the 3 little bears. These were carved from yellow pine via chainsaw. It would take him roughly an hour to make one of these, and then he would paint it. Now, this particular one I repaired. One of the ears got knocked off of it. And you can have an art repair business also, even if you're not an artist. Over the years, I have repaired quite a few pieces of art. I have repaired the picture frames they were in. And also, I did a tremendous amount of base coating and making bases for artists to paint on. The other way to think about this is, for instance, if an artist you know or is in your family, or you offer mail order, a base can be an ornament. For instance, Christmas ornaments, small pieces of furniture, wooden buckets, birdhouses, things like that you can make, or you can base coat for an artist. So that's another way to make income. And as this bear illustrates, if you are really good at chainsaw carving, you can make all kinds of art with chainsaw carving. Because a lot of farmers and a lot of homesteaders have the wood on hand. They don't have to go buy it. On my farm, enough stuff falls down every year that I don't have to go out and cut trees, and I get a tremendous amount of wood that I use for craft projects and also for building things and for firewood. So you can utilize your own resources, and that gives you a better cost basis. That way you're not out buying things. So keep in mind, and this will transition into the next video, furniture is another form of art in some cases. During the Great Depression, a tremendous amount of people made a living by making rustic furniture. A lot of people made a living making art such as this chainsaw bear. A lot of people did paintings. A lot of people made all kinds of ornaments, barn ornaments, all kinds of things. So these are things to keep in mind. This is a way for you to generate income. Please comment, rate, subscribe. We'll see you on the next video.